Hello good people and welcome to my channel. My name is Trendykimmy and I'm here today with an unboxing or an unpackaging of my Ipsy bag for January. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a $10 makeup subscription. They'll send you out 5 makeup items or skincare items, sometimes mask, and they'll send them out monthly to you. So I just wanted to come on. I know a lot of people have been sharing their Ipsy bags, and I just wanted to share mine. So the first thing is a makeup brush. And this makeup brush is from Luxy, luxybeauty.com. They have a website. It's nice. A lot of times, sometimes they give makeup brushes. I don't want to say all the time, but you go on and you make your profile, and from that they'll pick makeup items that they feel will suit you. So here's a makeup brush. It's a small contour brush, Luxy 1010. And they usually have some advertisement in there, and it talks about things that they have on their website that you could order. Makeup, different makeup. Let's see, New Year, more products, more focus on you. So that means that they're going to give or sell at a discount makeup that they feel is what you want as their subscriber. So that's that. And then sometimes this one especially shows what's in your bag. Looks like we're going to have a pretty good bag. And they also give in their subscriptions a nice makeup bag. And it varies per season. This one feels like a canvas. Old school, maybe pillow type of fabric. Yeah. So, and it has Ipsy down here. And a cute little tassel. Pink is pretty. Let's see. We have a eyeshadow. And this eyeshadow is by EllaDean.com. And it's in Willow. Willow looks like that. See if I can swatch a little bit of Willow. Let's see here. There's Willow. That's going to be pretty. Let's see. And Ciate London Wonder Wand Mascara in the color Black Magic. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, look at that wand. Some people like their wands like that. I like the wands that are kind of plastic with the spirally ends to them. This probably would work better for someone who has long lashes. I don't know. Let's see. Or someone who wears fake eyelashes. So that might be me, huh? So yeah, Ciate London Wonder Wand mascara. So far, so good. Bell and Argent. This is a lip gloss. Lip Look Lure Gloss. Looks like just a clear gloss. Oh, it's got a little iridescent sparkle to it. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but here it is. Looks clear on there, but looking at it without the camera, it's got kind of a pinkish, glittery look to it. So that'll be good. And Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Wand Mineral Hand Cream. Sea Kissed. And this is a hand cream. Put some of this on right now. It's a pretty good brand. Smells like a spa cream, if you know what I mean. Those when you get those spa lotions and bath salts and things like that. That's what that smells like. Smells really good. And it feels good. Oh my. 'Cause my hands were really dry. You know, washing your hands frequently and in the cold weather. So yeah, very good. Very good, Ipsy. Okay, so small contour brush, mascara by Ciate, eyeshadow by Ellen Dean and Willow, lip gloss, and the very nice, luxurious Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in Sea Kissed by Ahava. So this is really good. I like this bag this month, Ipsy. Very good. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you for today. Thanks for tuning into my channel and watching my unboxing of my Ipsy bag. Alrighty, see you later. Bye.